Hello, good morning. This is the Good Life program here in Karen State, Burma on December 31st, 2019, the last day of the year. And we thank God for your help and prayers from Syria to here in Burma. This year we graduated teams from 9 different ethnic groups, men and women, over 150 rangers getting ready to go on missions. And here are some of my friends.
My name is Simon. I'm from Chest State.
My name is Breaky. I'm Kachin. I come from Kachin State.
My name is Kai Won-san. Come from the Arakan State.
My name is Wimi from Naga.
My name is Jokan. I am Lisu.
My name is Sainat from Chin State.
My name is Apple. I am Karen from Karen State.
Hi, I'm Karen, and today is Good Life Club program from Jesus' words in John 10:10 that he promises us abundant life, rangers and the children. Thank you for your prayers.
Hi, my name is Peter Eubank. Thank you for your prayers and support.
My name is Bosade. I come from Karen State.
Good morning. My name is Padi Dose. I am from Karen State.
My name is Reza. I'm from Kachin State.
Hi, my name is Suzanne.
Hi, my name is Sahaley, and thank you for all that you do.
My name is Chabu. I am Lahu from Shan State. God bless you.
Thank you. And we're Americans, but we're also Karenians and Shanians and Syrians and Iraqians and Kurdians. And thank you, God, you let us be in this world. And we have flags from our friends. Flag of the Syrian Democratic Forces, flags of Kurdistan, Albania, Northeast Syria, Texas A&M, Minbij, Syria, Texas flag, Poland, Free Burma Rangers and Run for Relief, Kachin flag, Shan flag, Arakan Army and Arakan State, flag of Iraq and 1st Armored Division, Sweden and Switzerland, Louisiana, Thailand, Italy, Karen State, and the Free Burma Rangers. We belong to these flags and they belong to us.